K, Ka, the 11th letter of the alphabet, die 11de letter van die alfabet. Keep, hou. I keep my rabbit in a hutch. Ek hou my konyn in 'n hok. George gave me a ball and said I might keep it. George het my 'n bal gegee en gesê ek mag dit hou. Kettle, ketel. There is hot water in the kettle. Daar is warm water in die ketel. Key, sleutel. We lock the door with a key. Ons sluit die deur met 'n sleutel. Kick, skop. Ron is kicking the ball. Ron skop die bal. Kindergarten, kindertuin. These children are in the kindergarten. Hierdie kinders is in die kindertuin. King, koning. Some countries have a king. Party lande het 'n koning. Kiss, soon. Tom's mother kisses him when he leaves for school. Tom se ma soen hom wanneer hy skool toe gaan. Kitchen, kombuis. We cook in the kitchen. Ons kook in die kombuis. Kite, vlieër. The kite has a long tail. Die vlieër het 'n lang stert. Kitten, katjie. We have a black kitten. Ons het 'n swart katjie. Knee, knie. Etienne sits on his father's knee. Etienne sit op sy pa se knie. Knife, mes. We cut with knives. Met messe sny ons. Knock, klop. Anna is knocking at the door with the knocker. Anna klop met die klopper aan die deur. Knot, knoop. There is a knot in the rope. Daar is 'n knoop in die tou. Know, weet, ken. Do you know how to start the car? Weet jy hoe om die motor aan te sit? Do you know the answer? Ken jy die antwoord?